Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will present our topic, which is the population growth and quality of life in Japan from the year 2009 until 2020. Japan is a country with a population of approximately 126 million people. It is ranked as the 11th country with the highest population in the whole world. Despite being a small country, it is one of the most overworking countries in the whole world. This leads to a decline in the rate of marriage in Japan. In 2019, the number of marriages was estimated to be around 400,000 and had been declining by 4.8%. Furthermore, the size of the country might lead to the increase in the number of unemployed citizens as the competition for getting a job there is increasing by year. Japan was always hit by many types of natural disasters. The natural disasters involve floods, tsunamis, earthquakes, typhoons, cyclones, and volcanic eruptions. The objectives of our group conduct this study are to determine the population in Japan from the year 2009 to the year 2020 and to compare, contrast, and differentiate the determined value of future and past with the historical data.
To analyze human population growth mathematically, Thomas Malthus came up with the Malthusian model, where the fundamental idea of this model is the assumption that the rate at which the population of a state increases at a particular time is proportional to the population of the state at the time. A geometric progression is a sequence of the numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one by a fixed non-zero number called the common ratio. Mathematically, the Malthusian growth model can be defined as Pt equals to A times exponential to the power of Kt, where Pt is the population at the time t, A is the initial population size, K is the population growth rate, and T is the time at the time it was taken. As we are finding the particular solution for this population growth in Japan, we know that dP over dt is directly proportional to the P, or dP over dt is equals to Kp, where K is the constant of the proportionality.
We use the formula 1 over P dP equals to K dt. Then we integrate 1 over P dP equals to integrate K dt. Then ln P equals to Kt plus C. So we got P equals to exponent Kt plus C, which e to the power of C is equals to A.
With formula P equals to A exponential to the power of Kt plus C, we take the time at we take the t equals to 0, which is at year 2009. So when we calculate, the final formula we get is P equals to 128,555,189 to the times exponential to the power of Kt. The step is repeated with using t equals to 1, which is the population at the year 2010. By using the particular solution, the population in Japan in the year 2009 and 2010 can be calculated by carrying out a simple calculation. Based on the actual data and the estimation for past and future years, the population can be estimated using the particular solutions presented in the next slide. Other than that, it can also use the app named Paduan to plot the graph of a particular solution with the equation Pt equals to 128,555,189 times exponential to the power of 9.9853 times 10 to the power of negative 5t.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aimi. I'm going to present about data analysis and discussion. Firstly, to predict both past and future value, we use particular solution Pt equals to 128,538,646 e to the power of 9.9853 times 10 to the power of negative 5 times t. Firstly, we use year 2007 to predict past value. We let t equals to negative 2, then we will get p negative 2 equals to 128,512,979. Meanwhile, to predict future value, we use year 2021 and we let t equals to 12. So then we will get 128,692,758. Next, to calculate percentage error, we use the formula P actual minus P approximate value over P actual times 100. So to find percentage error for 2007 is equals to 128494057 minus 128512979 over 128494057 times 100, and we will get 0.015%. However, to find percentage error for 2021 is equals to 126050804 minus 1289278 over 126050804 times 100, and we will get 2%.
From the calculation, the values that we got are not accurate with the actual values, as some errors occur that affect the actual values. The percentage of this error are 0.015% for the past value and 2% for the future value. The calculated values will not tally with the actual value because humans are unpredictable, as there may be unexpected births and deaths that make the actual value less than expected.
Here is the graph of the particular solution that we has obtained from Desmos. We use the particular solution that we have got from above, which is PT equals to 128538646 to the power of E negative 0.0001287t. So this is the graph of function for particular solution that we got. So we obtain this new graph by inserting the number of t representing the years from 2009, 0 until 12. So the domain of this graph must be real numbers.
Factors that affecting the decreasing in Japan's populations. The main factor is Japanese women choose to marry late. They believe that marriage will disturb their population. This is because they need to take care of the children and family. In April 2007, on average, between 28 and 30 years old, many Japanese who choose to marry at later age, and this also means that they will have the children later or not at all. Also, some of them choose to study or pursue a career instead of marry and having children. Next is the overworking culture. Japanese people should not apply the overwork concept, as it will affect the health of their citizens and the quality of life will decrease. If they are too focused at work, they don't have time with their family and increase the birth rate.
In conclusion, we get a lot of benefits from this community project, such as we can study about the history of Japan's economic crisis. Next, we are able to measure the data and predict the future value on the growth of population in Japan. For your information, we chose Japan because it is one of the largest and strongest economy in the world in 2019, which placed third after USA and China. Apart from that, this country always suffer from the late marriage and increasing suicidal rate from time to time due to the overworking of the citizens. Furthermore, Japan always hit by many types of natural disasters, which includes the tsunamis, earthquakes, typhoons, and also volcanic eruptions. However, they managed to overcome the problem and redevelop their country to become a better country. As for the recommendations, we recommend some ways to increase the quality of this project. Firstly, the data that we want to achieve is more accurate than the one that we already have, because we want to increase the accuracy of the calculation for the future population in Japan. There are a lot of factors that have contributed to the decreasing population in Japan. Some of the factors that have affected us today are the infectious disease, which is the coronavirus. Fortunately, the disease can be prevented by finding a true cure that can help control the growth of population in Japan. Once the disease has been fully banished, it could help to change the quality of life of its citizens and the country. That is all from us. Thank you for watching our video.